Okay, students. In our last video, we were solving exercise 3.1, and we have done up to question 4. Now we will solve question 5. Question 5. What is question 5? Calculate the sum of interior angles of a regular 24-sided polygon and has obtained the measure of each interior angle of the polygon. Okay. We know that the sum of interior angles of a polygon the sum of interior angles of a polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. This is the formula for sum of interior angles of a polygon. Here the side of a polygon is given 24. Put n is equal to 24 here and solve the sum of interior angles of that polygon. So 24 minus 2 into 180 degree, that will be equal to 22 into 180 degree, and this will be equal to, okay students, you can calculate this. 18 to the 36, 6 carry 3, 18 to the 36 and 3, 39, 0. This is the sum of the interior angles of that polygon, 3960 degree. Okay, the second part of this question is and has obtained the measure of each interior angle of the polygon. Okay, each interior angle of polygon. You know the formula for each interior angle. Each interior angle of polygon is equal to n minus 2 upon n into 180 degrees. This is the formula for each interior angle of the polygon. We have put n is equal to 24. Therefore, you will get 24 minus 2 upon 24 into 180 degree. This will be equal to 22 upon 24 into 180 degree, and 12 2 is 24, 12 1 is 12, 12 5 is 60, and 2 1 is 2, 2 11 is 22, 15 1 is 15, and 15 1 is 15 or 1 16 degree. Therefore, each interior angle of that polygon will be 165 degree. Okay, write down this answer. Now we will solve question 6. What is your question 6? Question 6 is it possible for a regular polygon to have an exterior angle of 70 degree? Explain your answer. Okay, students, this is not possible. You can write this as no. The measure of an exterior angle, P must be a divisor of 360 degree. Okay, now you can understand this. Our question is it possible for a regular polygon to have an exterior angle of 70 degree. You know the formula for the exterior angle of a polygon is n upon 360. So n is the number of side. Therefore, this number should be divisible by 360. Therefore, your answer will be the measure of an exterior angle must be a divisor of 360. Okay. Now we will do question 7. Okay, students. Question number 7 and 8 is your homework. Do yourself, and we will do question number 9. Okay. Question 9. What is our question? Question 9. In a quadrilateral ABCD, angle A. In a quadrilateral ABC, angle A is equal to 80 degree. Angle B is equal to 75 degree. Angle C is equal to 100 degree. Find angle D is equal to 1. You know that in a quadrilateral, the sum of all four angle must be equal to 360. Okay. 80 cube. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C must be equal plus angle D. Angle D must be equal to 360. Okay. Value of A 80 degree plus value of B 75 degree plus value of C 100 degree plus angle D is equal to 360. Now sum these three numbers, 180 and 255. 80 is 255 plus angle D is equal to 360. Okay. Now transpose this number to the right hand side. This will be equal to 360 minus 255 degree. That will be equal to 105 degree. Angle D is the 105 degree is the answer. Okay. Now we will solve question 10. Question 10 is the interior angles of a quadrilateral are 4x, 5x plus 18 degree, 6x plus 10 degree and 7x minus 20. Find the value of x. Okay, here four angles of a quadrilateral are given. You know that the sum of four angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Attitude. Now do the sum of all four angles, that are 4x and second one is 5x plus 80 degree plus 6x plus 10 degree and plus 7x minus 20 degree. This and this. These are four angles of a quadrilateral and sum of these four angles must be equal to 360 degree. This equation and find the value of x, and then put the, and that will be your answer. Okay. 4x and 5x, 9x, 9 and 6, 15x, 15 and 7, 22x. 22x. Okay. 18, 10, 28. 28 minus 20 is equal to 8, is equal to 360 degree. Now transpose this 8 degree to the right hand side, this will give you 22x is equal to 360 minus 8, and this will give you 22x is equal to 352 degree. Okay, now x is equal to 352 degree upon 22. Now 2 11 ja, 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14, and 2 6 ja 12. 11 1 ja 11, 11 1 ja 11, and 6 remains, and this will be 66. 11 6 ja 66. Then x value is equal to 16 degrees. This is your answer. Write down. Okay, now we will do question number 11. Exercise 3.1, question 11. Okay, what is your question? Two interior angles of a quadrilateral are 85 degree and 170 degree. If the other two angles are equal, what is the measure of each equal angle? Okay, student, let each equal angle be x. Let each equal angle be x degree. Okay, according to questions, you know that sum of all four angles of a quadrilateral must be equal to 360 degree. Therefore, x degree plus x degree, these are two each equal angles, and 85 degree and 117 degree must be equal to 360. These are the four angles, and sum of four angles must be. Solve this equation. X degree, 2x degree plus 85 and 17, 5 7 12, 2 8 10, 1 1 2. Okay, this will give you 202 degree is equal to 360 degree. Now transpose this 202 to the right hand side. This will give you 2x degree is equal to 360 degree minus 202 degree, and this will give you 158 degree. 2x degree is equal to 158 degree, and x degree is equal to 158 degree upon 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14, and 2 9 ja 18. So x is equal to 79 degree. This is your answer. Each equal angle will be 79 degree and 79 degree. Now write down this. Okay, students, question 12, 13, 14 and 16 is your homework. Do yourself. Now we will solve question number 17. Question 17. What is your question? The four angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 3, ratio 4, ratio 5, ratio 6. Find the angle. Okay. Solution. Therefore, angle A will be equal to 3x, angle B is equal to 4x, angle C will be equal to 5x, and angle C is equal to 6x. If we consider A, B, C, D are the vertices of a quadrilateral, therefore angle A will be 3x, B is equal to 4x, C is equal to 5x, and D is equal to 6x. You can multiply a common factor of x to break this ratio. Okay. Now we find each angle. ATQ, we know that The sum of four angles of a quadrilateral must be equal to 360 degree. The value of angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. 3x plus 4x plus 5x plus 6x must be equal to 360. And now solve for x. 3x, 4x